LOHAS Company is an e-mobility enterprise integrating R&D, production, and sales. Within 15 years development, the factory currently products range including electric mountain bicycle, folding bicycle, city bicycle, and electric scooter, motorcycle. Our products are recognized by customers in European and North American markets. We are keen to work with distributors from other countries to supply both our current range and also develop and manufacture new products for their specific markets. We pay particularly attention to the electrical power system, the most important part of the products, which affects the speed, range, load, and performance stability. Having our own battery factory, which has evolved with the e-bike market requirements, sees us in an ideal position to filter the technology into our eScooter products. Equipped with frame factory, T4, T6 equipment, strong R&D team, and 3D designer, which can develop new models very quickly, and we can make new samples about 25 days. Company has CE certification for Europe, EEC products specially for anti-dumping duty. We have 3D showroom in Alibaba shop. You can visit it to view our products and get connections with us. We aim to establish a stable cooperative relationship, provide novel and stable products, bring convenience, safety, and comfortable transportation to our customers. Welcome our customers to consult and visit us. Choose us. We will bring you feel the free